Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to show you examples of the EOMonth function. The EOMonth function helps to calculate the last day of the month before or after adding a specified number of months to a date. The EOMonth requires two arguments, start date and months. Months is the number of months before or after the start date. In this example, we want to calculate the due dates of our invoice that fall on the last day of the month. Regardless of the start date day, the EOMonth will only move forward or back the number of months we have in our formula. In our first example, our due dates are going to be on the last day of the month. In column B, we have our invoice date. In column C, we have our net months. This is how many months we want to move forward. In column D, we have our date results field. Let's put our formula in cell D2. Equals EOMonth, open parentheses, B2 for our start date, comma C2 for the months. Now we have our due dates based on the last day of the month. In column D2, we have moved forward 3 months. With our start date in January, adding 3 months puts us in April. April has 30 days, so our due date is April 30th, 2023. Cells D3 through D5 follow the same logic. D6 is an example if we want the end of the month date from the start date. Adding 0 to the formula, given a start date of August 9th, 2023, and adding 0 months will give us a due date of August 31st, 2023. In the next example, we want to have the due date on the first of the month instead of the last day of the month. This one takes a little bit of thinking to set up, but easy once you get the hang of it. In column B, we have our start date. Now we want to get the first day of the month. We will use the same invoice date and net months we used in the first example to start, but we will need to adjust the information after you see the results. In D9, we are going to use the following formula, equals EOMonth, open parentheses, B9 as our start date, comma, C9 as our months, close parentheses, plus 1. The plus 1 is going to add 1 day to our final due date. When we apply the formula, you will see we have our due dates on the first of the month. But we have a problem. Looking at D9, we see that it is now 4 months, not 3 months in the future. And instead of having an invoice date as the same month in D13, it is now the next month. To correct this, we need to change our net months to 1 less than we need. So in D9, we would enter 2, which gives us March 31st, 2023, and when we add 1 day, it moves it to April 1st, 2023. The same applies to cells C10 through C12, 5, 0, 8. But now what do we do with D13? It has 0 to indicate we want the current month. This is easy. Replace the 0 with -1. That will give us July 31st, 2023. And in our formula, when we add 1 day, this will give us August 1st, 2023. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.